In today's video, we're going to be explaining how to use channels on TradingView. Now, a channel is usually when the price action is moving in a particular direction. There are three ways that you can place a channel. One is an upwards moving channel. Secondly is a sideways moving channel. And thirdly is a downwards moving channel. So looking at our chart of the euro against the US dollar on a 4-hour time frame around this area here, we can see that the price action moved in a relatively sideways fashion. Therefore, we could place a sideways moving channel if it meets the criteria. In order to do this, we need to move to the left toolbar on our screen under the trend tools. Once we click on the sideways moving arrow towards the right, you can see that more options have emerged. We then need to move lower and find the channel options. So we're going to be taking the parallel channel. Once I've selected the parallel channel, I need to move to my chart. Now, what I need to do is determine where my sideways moving channel is starting. So we could place it at this area here, where you can see there was a support level as the price action failed to break below. Then I need to hold left click and drag the channel towards the right to the place where I deemed it to be ending. You can see I have a couple of touches. So once I click left click again, you can see a line has been drawn. Now I can either move my mouse in a downwards fashion or in an upwards fashion. And since we took the lower boundary, we're dragging our mouse to the top. I've left clicked and now you can see that a sideways moving channel has emerged. Moreover, I could drag with my mouse the channel towards the left to cover a more area. Moreover, you can see that it's not precise, so we can edit this accordingly. Furthermore, to edit the channel, you can simply click on the gear button, or you have some options here. For example, if the color of orange is not looking that nice on your chart, you can change that to blue. So that is the outline here, the border as well, and we can turn that into a different color. Now, you can also edit it to make sure that the channel is meeting your expectations. The slight issue I have for this channel is that there is only one touch on the upper boundary. Therefore, you can simply adjust. Small deviations outside of the channel are acceptable, as it is not exactly precise. So this is how I would be placing a sideways moving channel.